Hello, in this occasion we are going to explain defects due to the weaving process, and we are going to focus on defects due to the different batch defect. Well, which is the description for this defect? Well, in this occasion what we can observe is that we have a difference in color which could be observed in warp or in weft direction. Sometimes it could be in both of them, but it's not very common. And, okay, which is the appearance? Is that we can observe two clearly defined parts of the fabric because of a clearly changing color, okay? And which is the cause? Okay, the cause is because we have the production of the fabric, and because the cone has finished, we introduce the same cone with, another cone with the same color, with the same kind of yarn, with the same parameters, but it has been dyed in a different process, okay? So when we change the dyeing process, if the control of quality, when we compare one with another, is not very exhaustive, we can observe slight differences in the color, but when we add them in a fabric, it's clearly observed. For example, what we can observe in this picture, okay? Here we can observe one yarn with one color, and here it was supposed to be the